In the previous video, I explained the data science workflow. Now I'm going to explain it again, but this time I'm going to mention the job description of each process. What do I mean by that? Now let's see. Here we have collection and cleaning the data. This is the part where data engineer comes in. And then we have also cleaning and EDA. EDA is a shortcut for exploratory data analysis, which is basically mean I'm exploring the data and applying some statistical concepts and charts and stuff like this. This is the part where data analyst comes in. And the building the model and deploying the model. What do I mean by deployment? Whenever I create a model, I either are going to add it as a feature to an existing app or system, or I deploy it as a product. I'll give you an example. Amazon Alexa is an example. Amazon Alexa is an example of an AI product which has a model built in, which is basically trained on a lot of voice commands. Okay, so the device Amazon Alexa, it's a product. But what about the features? In Snapchat, if you use earlier version of Snapchat, there were no filters which make you look like a dog or give you some weird stuff on your head and faces and stuff like this. But then they added, they told you to update the Snapchat app, and then you'll get something called filters. So filters are features were added to an existing app like Snapchat. Okay, so building model and model deployment is the job of machine learning. Most of the time model deployment comes of software engineering people. Okay, now the whole thing is what data scientists do. So basically you're gonna end up learning everything. Okay, but in real life you will be either, let's say, data scientist in building the model, data scientist in doing the EDA. So each data scientist is going to be an expert in something, you know. A data scientist who came from a statistical background, they'll be good at cleaning and EDA, and data scientists who came from the software engineering background, they'll be good at machine model building and model deployment and so on. Okay, so this is what the data science process look like.